Fidelity Digital Assets Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Fidelity Digital Assets Wallet app represents one of the biggest names in traditional finance stepping into the crypto world. But can a Wall Street giant really compete with native crypto wallets? The surprising truth is it depends on what kind of investor you are. Let's start with the pros. The most obvious one is trust and credibility. Fidelity has over $1 trillion in assets under management, and its reputation for security and compliance gives this wallet a level of reliability that few crypto platforms can match. Another huge advantage is institutional-grade custody. Fidelity uses cold storage and multi-signature security to protect assets, ensuring they're out of reach from online attacks. This makes it an excellent choice for long-term investors and businesses handling large amounts of crypto. The app also offers professional trading services and account monitoring, giving users peace of mind that their funds are being handled safely and efficiently. On the user side, Fidelity's wallet integrates with its brokerage tools, allowing you to track both traditional investments and crypto in one place. That's perfect for people looking to diversify without switching between multiple apps. Now, the cons. The biggest drawback is limited coin support. Fidelity primarily focuses on Bitcoin and Ethereum, with plans to expand slowly. So if you're into DeFi NFTs or smaller altcoins, you'll need other wallets. Another downside is restricted accessibility. Fidelity Digital Assets is designed mainly for institutional and accredited investors, not casual retail traders. The onboarding process can be lengthy, involving identity verification and compliance checks. Lastly, because of its regulated structure, privacy is limited. Every transaction and account is tied to your verified identity. In summary, the Fidelity Digital Assets Wallet app is a powerhouse for secure, compliant crypto management, but it's not built for everyone. It shines for investors who prioritize stability, regulation, and long-term custody over experimentation. If you're looking for a bridge between traditional finance and crypto, Fidelity delivers a professional, trustworthy entry point into the digital asset era.